I would like to visit with you today about the Oxlife Freedom portable oxygen concentrator. The Freedom is delivered with all the accessories needed for operation, including an accessory bag, a battery, an AC power supply with power cord, a DC power supply, additional external inlet filters, a quick start setup guide, and the Freedom user manual. The external charging and power port, as well as the metal cannula connector, are both located at the top of the device for ease of access and patient convenience. To connect your cannula to the Freedom, simply slide the cannula over the oxygen outlet port located on the right side of the device. To connect the Freedom to AC power in your home or office, confirm the provided power cord is connected to the AC power converter. If it is not, insert the power cord receptacle to the AC Bricks 2-prong plug. Once the AC power supply with the power cord is assembled, connect the device power connector to the device power port and then connect the wall plug into the wall outlet. This will allow the Freedom to operate on AC power as well as provide power for charging the battery. The Freedom may be operated on battery power. The length of time a Freedom will operate on battery power will depend on the device setting. Each battery contains a charge indicator for convenience on the battery face. Press the push button on the battery to identify battery charge level, presented in 25% increments. To insert the battery, hold the battery with the connection facing up and insert into the track from the back of the device. When inserting the battery, make sure that you press firmly on the battery until you hear it click. When removing the battery, press the release button and slide the battery forward to remove the battery safely. The Freedom may also be operated on DC power for use in a vehicle, RV, or boat. The DC power cord has a device power connector identical to the AC power supply, as well as a DC power plug that is inserted into the DC outlet within your vehicle. Always make sure the vehicle is running before connecting your device to the DC power outlet. The device will recharge the battery while on DC power at all settings. To start the Freedom, press and hold the power button. When connected to AC or DC external power, a plug icon will appear in the upper right of the display screen. When battery charging is present, a lightning bolt will also be displayed within the battery icon. The display indicates which setting the device is operating, 1 through 5. To change settings, use the plus and minus buttons to adjust to the setting prescribed by your healthcare provider. Maintaining your Freedom is as simple as cleaning the external inlet filters weekly. Remove the filters from the device, clean with warm water and mild detergent, squeeze out excess water, and allow to dry completely. There is no downtime as your Freedom comes with additional filters, so you can replace the filters that require cleaning and continue to use your device uninterrupted. All the information presented can be found in the user manual included with your device, as well as additional information on the capabilities of the Oxlife Freedom portable oxygen concentrator. If you have any questions regarding the use of the Oxlife Freedom, please contact your healthcare provider or call O2 Concepts Technical Support at 877-867-4008, extension 367, or visit us at O2